Hi. So, got the windshield cleaned up, and I cut out the first section here. Then I'm going to replace with sheet metal. Now I'm going to MIG it, and there's going to be portions that are going to be bronzed as well. So it's going to be a combination of both, and I think it's going to work out beautiful. So long as I can control the heat. Because here's the can't really. There we go. I'm getting light now. You can see it. See where the white marks are between there and there. So, and then this is a little ratty, so I might just do a little bronze capping, let's say, and clean up. So we'll see what it looks like afterwards. There's the first spot. It's cut out. And go from there.